Hi! Today, let's talk about something almost everyone does, going to the supermarket.
Yes, shopping for food and groceries is part of daily life. So let's imagine we are at the supermarket together.
Great idea. The first thing I do when I arrive is grab a shopping cart or a basket.
Same here. If I only need a few items, I take a basket. But if I'm doing big shopping, I use a cart.
Do you usually make a shopping list before you go?
Yes, always. A list helps me save time and money.
That's smart. Otherwise, you might buy too many things you don't need.
Exactly. And supermarkets are designed to tempt us with all those colorful displays.
Right. That's why I go straight to the section I need. Let's start in the produce section. I usually pick up fruits and vegetables first.
Me too. They're fresh and healthy. What's your favorite fruit?
I love bananas and apples. They're easy to eat as snacks.
I usually buy oranges and grapes. They're sweet and refreshing.
What about vegetables?
Carrots, lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. I use them for salads.
That's healthy. I like broccoli, spinach, and potatoes.
Do you usually check if the produce is organic?
Sometimes. Organic food is healthier, but it's usually more expensive. After produce, I usually go to the dairy section.
Same here. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are always on my list.
Do you prefer whole milk or low-fat milk?
I usually buy low fat. What about you?
I prefer almond milk or oat milk.
Oh, plant-based milk. That's very popular now.
Yes, and I like to try new flavors, like vanilla soy milk.
I always get some cheese too, cheddar or mozzarella.
I like cream cheese for breakfast. Now, let's talk about meat and fish.
Do you usually buy fresh or frozen?
Mostly fresh. Chicken, beef, or sometimes salmon.
I usually buy chicken breasts. They're easy to cook.
Yes, very versatile. You can grill, fry, or bake them.
Do you buy seafood often?
Not very often, but I like shrimp and tuna.
Shrimp is delicious in pasta or salads.
The bakery is one of my favorite sections.
Oh, yes, the smell of fresh bread is amazing.
I usually buy whole grain bread for breakfast.
I like baguettes and rolls. Sometimes I also get croissants.
Do you ever buy cakes or cookies?
Sometimes, as a treat, but not every time.
That's smart. Otherwise, you'd eat sweets every day. Now, what about drinks?
I usually buy juice and sparkling water.
I always get some coffee and tea.
Coffee is a must for many people.
Yes, I can't start my morning without it.
Do you drink soda often?
Not really. Only sometimes at parties.
Same here. Soda is tasty, but not healthy.
Do you buy many snacks?
I try not to, but sometimes I can't resist chips or chocolate.
Same here. I also like popcorn for movie nights.
What about frozen food?
I buy frozen vegetables and sometimes pizza.
Frozen food is convenient when you don't have time to cook.
Yes, it saves time, but isn't always healthy. Supermarkets don't just sell food.
True. I often buy cleaning supplies like detergent or soap.
I usually get paper towels, toilet paper, and shampoo.
Yes, it's convenient to buy everything in one place.
Do you ever buy medicine there?
Sometimes, like vitamins or pain relievers.
After shopping, it's time to check out.
Do you use self-checkout or a cashier?
If I have only a few items, I use self-checkout.
Same here, but if I have a full cart, I go to a cashier.
Do you usually pay with cash or card?
Mostly card. It's faster.
I also use contactless payment with my phone.
Technology makes shopping easier.
So going to the supermarket is simple, but it teaches us many useful English words.
Yes, from fruits and vegetables to payment methods, we use English every step of the way.
Learning this vocabulary helps you in real-life situations.
And practicing conversations like this makes you confident to speak in English.
Exactly. So next time you go shopping, try saying the words in English.
That's a great way to practice.
Thanks for joining us today at English Echo Daily.
See you in the next episode.